Okay guys, I'm in serious need of some advice here. So I've got Pegasus Astro Ultimate Power Box V2 mounted on my scope here, and I've got this little mini computer mounted on top. And I have been connecting wirelessly using this little GLNet, I think it's called a GLNet 150, little wireless router, and it creates a hotspot which I connect to. I connect the computer on board the telescope to the hotspot, and I connect my tablet or my laptop to the hotspot. And I've been able to connect in the past, and everything works perfectly fine. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So right now the little mini computer is powered up. You can see the blue light on in there. And there's nothing plugged into it other than the power cord. The power is being provided by the Pegasus Astro. So my tablet here, I've got TeamViewer set to go in. And as I type in my number here, I go to remote, and it asks me for my password. So I know everything is going to work now because it's asking me for my password. So I'm going to hit cancel, and I'm going to back out of TeamViewer, and I'm going to launch it again. Now, here's where the mystery comes in. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Pegasus Astro provided USB cable, and I'm going to plug it into the input on the Pegasus Astro, and I'm going to plug it into any one of my USB ports on the mini computer, which is what I've got to do in order to be able to access everything else that's plugged into the Pegasus Astro. So again, and now what you're going to see, it doesn't matter whether I plug it in here, or the USB in the front. The same exact thing is going to happen. So you see the only thing I've done is plug the Pegasus Astro in. So basically I'm just plugging the USB hub in, right? Now we're going to go, and I'm going to type in my input here, and I'm going to try to connect. And you're going to see it says, please wait while connecting. And eventually I'm going to get a message that says connection failed. Okay? Now just to confirm that it is this USB cable that's causing the issue, I'm going to unplug it again. Okay? Now we're going to go back to TeamViewer and hit connect. Now it's asking me for my password. And again, if I type in my password, which I'm trying to do off camera here, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, there we go. And connect. Boom. Now I'm TeamViewered into the computer that's mounted on the scope, that's connected to it says it's connecting, but it's connected. So I'm actually controlling the computer through TeamViewer on my tablet. And then as soon as I plug this USB cable in, boom. Now, all of a sudden, TeamViewer and all the wireless connectivity is gonna, if I try to open this folder, you'll see, let me bring the mouse down here. It says that it's connected, but it's not. Nothing is working again. So I am just thoroughly confused. You see it says connection has been lost. So if anybody has an answer to this issue, I would appreciate it. Here's what I've tried. I've replaced this USB cable thinking maybe there was a short in the cable with a different USB 3 cable. No joy. I have actually taken a regular USB hub like this and plugged it in, and then plugged the Pegasus Astro into this USB hub. No joy. So I'm completely at a loss as to what's causing this problem. I'm going to try to post this on as many forums as I can. Hopefully somebody smarter than me can come up with a solution. I appreciate your help, guys. Thanks a lot.